Assalamu alaikum, hello viewers. Today I am going to show you some problems from graphs. Here in our first question we have to find the equation of the lines that are parallel to this line 2x y equal to 2x minus 7, which passes through the point y, which is 0 4. So we are given this line y equal to 2x minus 7. We have to find the parallel line. So we know the standard form of a line. If we compare it with this line, which is a y equal to mx plus c, where m is gradient and c is called the intercept from y, y intercept, and is the it is the equation of the straight line, then with gradient m and y intercept is x. So then here the value of m is 2 and c is minus 7. For a line parallel to this equation, it will be same, just there is a little difference of the value of c. So let the line parallel to these lines is 2y equal to 2x plus c. We have assumed that the line parallel to this line is y equal to 2x plus c. Now we are given that it passes through the point 0 7, right? 0 4. So if we substitute this value in this equation, we get 4 is equal to 2 times 0 plus c. So that means that implies c is equal to 4. Again, if substitute the value of c in this equation, we get y equal to 2x plus 4, right? So this is our required line parallel to this line. Now we're going for the next question. Here see, we have to write down the possible equation for this sketch graphs. First, if we analyze the graphs here, 13, the graphs are, if our axis is if this is x and this is y, then graphs first this is c, the graphs is a, and this is b, right? So now we can find the graphs here. First of all, if we see the line a, right? For a, this equation will be like y equal to x minus 2, right? Because here if we put the value of x is equal to 0, then y intercept will be minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to y equal to x minus 2, then second b, it will be 5 minus x, because here if we put the value of x is 0, then y will be, value of y is positive, so this will be y equal to 5. And now for last y c, line c, this will be y equal to 2, right? Well, can be anything, but c will value of, for this case, m will be, value of m will be 0, and c is positive because y intercept is positive. If it is the intercept as center point, then this is positive, and for this it is negative for a. That's why it is minus 2. Value of c will be less than 0. Now going for the next problem. Here if we uh, for okay. Here, number 5, we have to find the equation of the lines passing through this point and that are parallel and perpendicular to this line. Okay. Now we are given this line. Okay. 3y is equal to x plus 21. We can get x is equal to y is equal to 1 by 3 times x by plus 7. For for a line parallel to this line, we know we can let the line parallel to line 1 is y is equal to 1 over 3 plus c. This line, we are given that this line passes through the point 6 4. This line passes through this point, so if we substitute here this point is if we substitute this point here, we get the value of c. So 4 is equal to 1 by 3 times 6. We get 4 is equal to 2. The value of c is equal to 2. So our required equation, line of equation is line is 1 over 3 x plus 2. We can convert this 3y is equal to x plus 2. Sorry, x plus, this will be 6. 3y is equal to if we multiply 3 on both sides, we get 3 is equal to x plus 6. Now this is a parallel line, right? Parallel line. For perpendicular, let the line perpendicular to y equal to 1 by 3 is, we know, let's if a line, if the general we know that general form of an equation, line of equation is y equal to mx plus c. So for a line perpendicular to this line, y equal to minus 1 by m, because if we multiply the gradient of these two lines, we will get minus 1. So that's why this is the line here. If we now is y equal to minus 3x plus c. Now if we put the value of if we substitute the value 6, but if we substitute this point here, we get 4 is equal to minus 3 times x c is equal to c is equal to 22. So that's how we get y is equal to 3 plus 22. That means so the required equation is c, value of c is 22. That's how we get a y is equal to minus 3x plus 22. This is our required equation, which is perpendicular. This line will be perpendicular to this line. Okay. Now we are going for the next problem. Here, see, we have to write down the equations that will produce these patterns, right? So first, number 7, here we are given a equation like this. So now first we have to get this equation, line of equation of this line. If we here from this point and this point, this the coordinate of this point is 2 0, right? This will be 2 0, and this is 0 2, and this is minus 2 0, and this will be 0 minus 2. Okay, so now if we want to get the equation of this line, we can do this by general formula is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Just we have to put the value of a b here. So x by 2, y by 2. What is the value of a? A is x-intercept. That means this part will be a, the length of this part, and the length of this part is b. This is a and b. Now x plus y is equal to 2. Okay, this is our first equation. X plus y is equal to 2. We can write this minus x plus 2 is equation 1. Similarly, for if I want to find this side, we can it will be x by minus 2, y by 2 will be 0, and minus x plus y is equal to 2. So that means value of y is equal to x plus 2. This is equation 2. Now we will find the equation of this line. X by minus 2 plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to minus 2. So equation of this line, y is equal to minus x minus 2. Minus x minus 2. Now here we will have equation of this line, x plus a plus y by b is equal to 1. From here, equation of this line, x by a, value of a is 2, y by minus 2 is equal to 1. And here similarly we get a value of x minus 2, which is so the value of y will be x minus 2. This four equation of the these are the equation of the 4 lines here. First is y is equal to minus x plus 2, then y is equal to x plus 2, then y equal to minus x minus 2, and then y equal to x minus 2. These are the equations of the 4 lines here. Now I hope you can you have seen all the equations of the 4 lines. Now we're going for the last problem for today. Here we have another patterns. We have to find the equation for the all of the lines. All of the lines here. Here equation of this line will be x is equal to 3, and this equation of this line is equal to x equal to minus 3, and for this line y is equal to 3, and for this line y is equal to minus 3. Okay, these four lines are the equation, the four equation are the equations of these four lines here. And also if we are asked the equation of this line, this will be y equal to, this will be y equal to x, and another will be y equal to minus x. The equation of this line will be y equal to minus x. Okay, I hope you understand the topics, and it is interesting for you. Another bonus problem I'm going to discuss with you here. This problem, I hope you can see that. Here we have to we will write down the possible equation for these graphs. Okay, so our problem is, these are our axes. This is A, this is D, and this is C. Now for A, okay, for A, it is x equal to anything. We can write anything. We have to just remember that for A, m will be 0, and x C will be greater than 0. That means we can write x equal to b anything. Suppose x equal to 5. This can be the equation of the line A. And for B, similarly, m less than 0, c greater than 0. An example is y equal to 3 minus x. This can be an example. X m is less than 0, and c will be greater than, must be greater than 0. And for the line C, for line C, m will be, for line C, m greater than 0, and c will be less than 0. An example, y is equal to x minus 2. See, if we put the value of x is 0, then the value of y will be, y intercept is minus 2. So here it can be minus 2. And for B, it is positive value, so that's why y intercept will be positive. So that's the basic for rules for sketching a graphs. Try to assume and try to get the concept, and try to practice more sketching. I hope it will be easy for you, and thank you so much. I hope we will discuss more problems, more interesting problems from geometry in our next video. And please support me and subscribe my YouTube channel, and let me know if you have any problems in any specific topic. I will definitely try to make that easy for you. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.